And now I'll show you the jiggle. So this one I usually suggest holding baby here. You can do the same kind of modified on your leg. But this one we are not going to shake the baby, but we are going to hold kind of at baby's little booty and just jiggle the baby. Again, that sometimes is enough to just jiggle up that air across the leg. You're supporting, you know, chest, head, and face. And then you can use, be seated in a normal chair, not on a table, but you can kind of bounce your leg and kind of, again, wiggle up the air. Sometimes holding them and walking is enough of a bounce. That's all you have to do. It's about finding what works really well for your baby.